What if the Samsung Galaxy S26 FE finally becomes the most practical flagship killer Samsung has ever made? In this video, we're talking about a leaked feature that could completely change how you use your phone every day. And honestly, it's something most people didn't even know they needed. Samsung is reportedly working on bringing a privacy display to the Galaxy S26 FE. And if this leak turns out to be true, it could be a game changer for the fan edition lineup. So, what exactly is a privacy display? In simple terms, it limits the viewing angles of your screen. That means when you're looking straight at your phone, everything is crystal clear. But anyone trying to peek from the side sees a darkened or distorted screen. Whether you're on a bus, sitting in a classroom, working in an office, or chilling at a cafe, your personal content stays private. And this isn't just a nice to have feature, it actually solves real world problems. First, it protects your privacy. No more worrying about strangers reading your messages or checking your photos over your shoulder. Second, it boosts security, especially when you're entering passwords, OTP codes, or using banking apps. And third, it adds a premium feel to the device, because features like this are usually reserved for high-end flagship phones. That's what makes this leak so exciting. The Fan Edition series has always been about delivering flagship-level value at a more affordable price. But with something like a privacy display, the Galaxy S26 FE could go beyond just good specs and become a phone that genuinely improves your daily experience. It also shows that Samsung might be pushing the FE lineup closer to true flagship territory, not just in performance, but in meaningful features you actually notice every single day. So if this feature really makes it to the final device, the Galaxy S26 FE might not just be another upgrade. It could be one of the smartest and most user-focused smartphones Samsung has released in years. Is privacy display a must-have feature for you, or just a gimmick? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest tech leaks and updates. And stay tuned, because more exciting Galaxy S26 FE leaks are coming soon.